In this video, I'm going to show you how to email receipts to Dext. Now, this is actually super simple. All you have to do is open up your dashboard, go to the top left and click on Add Documents. And then here under Costs at the bottom, you can find it says Extract by Email, and it says Send digital documents to your dedicated Dext extraction email address. Now, for you, it's going to be different than it is to me over here. So just go ahead and basically select yours and click on Copy Email to Clipboard over here. So you want to click on Copy, and it's going to copy this one, which of course is going to be one document per file. So just copy that, and then you want to go to your email. For example, over here I have my Gmail. You can use any email you want, and then you essentially just want to go to compose a new email and then send it to them just like this. And what you want to do is just attach a specific document, which is like a receipt. Okay, so I'm going to find a receipt I have like an image of a receipt over here, which I'm going to drop in like that. So make sure you actually read this, because it said, as you can see, one document per file. So I'm just going to essentially leave it like this, and I'm going to send it, and you'll see that it's going to send just like this. It says message sent. I can view it. There we go. It's being sent to it. And now over here, you'll be able to see it's going to basically go into processing. So this is going to take a few seconds to actually go ahead and get loaded in here. But essentially, whenever that's done, you'll see it's going to be inside processing in your inbox, and you'll basically see your receipts. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.